Understanding I Empower Award. The I Empower Award celebrates individuals and organizations that harness the potential of empowerment to drive community development and self-sufficiency within the Black community. This category acknowledges those who advocate for and develop systems that enable others to use productive and creative approaches for self-empowerment and community advancement. It recognizes the commitment to using constructive and positive approaches to foster self-reliance and wealth. The essence of the I Empower Award lies in the belief that within each person is a catalyst for change, enabling individuals and communities to reach their full potential. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development for business startup and development loans. Your business is our priority. Visit us at tehucommunity.com.